So I'd like to give an overview of what I'd like to do with the website that you had worked on previously. I've made a lot of changes. Maybe some things are broken now. You might have to go back into it. But the concept of the website is that I'm trying to actually provide it for my students. I teach adult school students in watercolor painting, oil painting, and acrylic painting. And these are adults, generally from 40s up and on up. So I want to provide them a way to easily go get content that's as simple as possible for them. Uh, Most of these people are not digital, digitally, technically advanced at all. And if I make anything too complicated, they might just not want to do it at all. So I need to just make it as simple as possible. Um, so I'll show you kind of the structure of this site. There are actually eight different courses, but they're somewhat related, and I'll kind of go over what that's about. Um, so first of all, we have a home page. On the home page, I just would like it, and I'll show you an example of this. I'd like it pretty simple. So it's just going to have my logo at the top, which is my name, very simple, a navigation menu, and then there's a banner just to give it some visual interest, but very fairly simple. And then there's a welcome to Cusworth Art Studio title, and there's a really short description. Under that, then it's going to be listed the main courses um, in a sort of oh, gallery, but it's just two main courses per for the galleries. They'll be separated by titles. But the first one is going to be uh, beginning class materials post gallery. So the students need to know what materials to get before class. And then they click on the picture and they're going to go to a page and it'll show the materials. Under that is the beginning course level one. So I teach these beginning courses and I have a level one and level two. The level one is super beginning, just right from scratch. They're learning beginning stuff, and then if they want to take the second course, it's level two. Now these I teach in class to these students, um, and so there's level one, level two. Then there's going to be another course which is beginning courses level one plus. The plus is going to be additional instruction that goes along with each one of the lessons in the previous courses. So if they want to have an additional instruction, they'll access that. And the same thing for beginning course level two plus. So I'm calling it plus to talk about or to indicate additional information. Then at the bottom of the page, there'll be an opt-in form. And I'd like to have a nice opt-in form that they can opt into for a newsletter. Um, uh, that we'll go back to Mailchimp and form a list of the opt-ins there. Now, the way this would look, I've already kind of worked on a page, although it's not completely to where I want it to be, but because it's really simple, very simple. I wanted everything to be, they go there and they can just see the information and get to things. My name, and then here's the navigation menu, a real simple banner. We can just use this for now. Later might be something else. Welcome to Cusworth Art Studio. And then here's the beginning classes, oil and acrylic watercolor, the materials needed. So in this case, we need 3 images, and these go to, I think they're just posts. I think they're just blog posts. And then go there and they see the list of materials. Now here's where we're going to now start placing the courses. So there'd really actually be 2 here because I'm going to combine oil painting and acrylic painting in one. So it's going to be called beginning oil and acrylic painting. It won't say materials, it's just beginning oil and acrylic painting. And then here, beginning watercolor uh, class, I guess we could say class. And so there'll just be 2 here, and that's level 1. Then if we go down below, we have oil and